So it is time for our Facebook forecast for the 22nd day of August. Wait a minute. Good, the phone's not ringing this time. Believe it or not, this is the 5th time we've tried to do this before the phone interrupted us. So welcome back, Nate Baker.
Hey, welcome back, Dave.
Thank you very much. Phone's still not ringing, so we will continue with our Facebook forecast for the 22nd day of August. After a very hot, dry weekend, as you can see, storm tracker radar showing a little bit of light rain shower activity on the north coast around Astoria and Seaside and down towards Manzanita. So far, none of that's getting into the metropolitan area. Most of the rain's tracking off towards the north, northeast. North of Longview, all the way up to Seattle, we're seeing some pretty good rain there at this time. Now, the temperature is down about 10 degrees today. Our daytime high here in Portland was 80. It was 79 in Salem, 70 on the coast at Newport, and hot in southern Oregon and again on the east side of the Cascades, where daytime highs were in the 90s, like Ontario, 99 degrees this afternoon. So what's going on weather-wise across the Northwest is this. We have high pressure in place, but it's down here to the south of us, and it is blocking, for the most part, a little area of low pressure and a weak little cold front right there. This kind of worked its way on through late last night, gave us the increased clouds, the cooler air, and that onshore flow did bring a little bit of moisture in the form of some light rain, just right there to the extreme northern part of the coast. With the high pressure just to the east of us, right here is that little balancing mark. So Portland, I think, will see the clouds, but stays dry. The further west you go, the further north you go, the more clouds, the wetter the weather. The further south, the further east, the drier and the hotter it's going to be. As a matter of fact, so warm and so dry that parts of the gorge and north central and northeastern Oregon are under a red flag warning. And that simply means that explosive fire growth is possible. So if you got a fire over there, combination of the very hot temperatures, the high winds blowing 35 miles an hour in the Dalles, and low humidity means a very serious fire situation on the east side of the Cascades for at least the next couple of days. We've been even seeing some problems here in the metropolitan area on this Monday afternoon and Monday evening, with the potential of seeing some fires been popping up around the Sheridan area, also in central Oregon around Canida, and in the Madras area the past few hours. Besides that, just for the fires, long term, some information came out today, and that is a return of, dare I say, La Nina. Now, remember last winter? Cold.
Wet.
Very wet. A lot of snow in the Cascades. Now, we were thinking originally La Nina was going to fade away, and we're going to have a neutral year. That may not be the case now. We're seeing cold ocean water upwelling off the coast of South America, and that's going to translate into the potential of a cooler than normal North Pacific as we head in towards the fall and the winter months, which translates again in the possibility of another winter like last winter. Don't shake your head. Don't shake your head.
It was wet, Dave.
I know. It was the second wettest winter on record. We'll see what happens this winter and this fall, but just a little heads up, there are some indications out there that La Nina may be returning. Good news is, it'll be a while before it gets here, if it gets here. In the meantime, our 7-day forecast for tomorrow: morning clouds, afternoon sun and 82. Looking pretty good for Wednesday and 80. Now a little cooler on Thursday, but still dry and still mostly sunny. And then things improve by Friday with mid-80s, a little downturn as far as the temperature goes on Saturday, and then back up near 90 on Sunday, and mid and upper 80s on next Monday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not a day with any rain in the forecast, and daytime highs all upper 70s to low to upper 80s. We'll talk more about the potential of La Nina returning tonight on K2 News at 11, and more as well about our friend Irene, a hurricane, first one for the year, and where it may go over the next week down in parts of the Caribbean. Oh, guess what? We got done, and the phone's ringing again.
Better take that phone call.
I'll take that phone call. Channel 2 weather.